Let me show you how to create 3D pop-out in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, go to Polygon Lasso tool and make selection like this. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate selection. Go to File and select Place Embedded and select the image. Now decrease the opacity. Adjust the position and size of image. Set opacity to 100 and create clipping mask. Adjust the image position. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate layer. Go to Select Menu and select Subject. Select Quick Selection tool, hold Alt and remove extra selection. Add layer mask. Now select main image layer. Go to Image Adjustment and select Brightness and Contrast. Set the brightness as we want. "3D pop-out mask" is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.